Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the procedure to complain about Uber driver. To complain about the Uber driver, you could leave a feedback in the Uber app itself or contact Uber support through the app or website or contact the grievance officer issue if your issue remains unsolved. You could also report safety issue, discrimination, or other serious incident through designated forms on the Uber Help website as well. If you want to do it from the app itself, you want to open the Uber driver app, and next what you have to do is you simply want to go ahead and open the account sections or click on the profile initials. As you do it, so then you could find this options, and you could either go with help, or if you scroll down a bit you could find a feedback section. You want to click that out. There you could go and state the feedback, and this should be able to help you out to complain about Uber driver. The next thing, if you want to do is contact Uber support, then you want to do the same thing, but you could see at the top left corner there is a help section. You want to click that out, and here you want to go ahead and click on the feedback or suggestion or contact support. You want to go ahead and click that out, state the issue, and they will be able to help you out. So these are some of the ways to complain about Uber driver. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.